If you just launched a new TikTok or YouTube channel and your first videos are getting 0 to 10 views, don't panic. You're probably in what creators call the cold start or sandbox period. This is when platforms are testing your account and deciding if they can trust you. To break out of this, you need to warm up your account. Warming up simply means building trust with the algorithm before expecting real reach. When your account is brand new, the platform does not know who you are, what your content is about, or whether you are a real creator or spam. Because of that, your videos get limited distribution, especially in 2025 with so much AI and automation. Warming up sends clear signals. It tells the platform you are a real user, your content is safe, and you contribute consistently. This helps you escape the cold start faster and avoid low reach or shadow suppression. This step is even more important if you run a faceless or automated channel. Platforms actively look for repetitive patterns, duplicate videos, and mass posting. Warming up shows you are using automation responsibly. Before posting, fully set up your profile. Use a real profile picture or logo, write a clear bio explaining your niche, and add a website or social link if you can. Incomplete profiles look suspicious and hurt reach. Next, do not post right away. Spend 2 to 3 days engaging like a normal user. Watch videos in your niche, like and comment genuinely, and follow a few relevant accounts. This teaches the algorithm who you are and what content you belong with. When you start posting, keep your first few videos natural. Use trending sounds, add captions, hook viewers in the first 2 seconds, and avoid anything that feels robotic. Do not dump multiple videos at once. For the first week, post 1 short video per day. Keep them between 15 and 60 seconds and stay active after posting by replying to comments and engaging with content. Avoid reposting the same video across accounts. Duplicate content gets suppressed. Always add variety to visuals, audio, or structure. Expect low views at first. That is normal. If you start seeing 100 to 500 views after a week, that is a great sign. Stay consistent. Warm up properly, and once your account is ready, you can scale confidently using tools like Blipix without fighting the algorithm.